Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add text-to-speech on your TikTok in your PC. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your TikTok. After that, what you want to do is download this extension known as VoiceIn. After enabling and disabling this video, you'll be able to add a text-to-speech in your TikTok. It's easy and simple. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.